We'll guide you through how to create blur text in Figma. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, to create blur text in Figma, start with opening up your workspace. So head over to your desktop and launch the Figma app with a quick double-click on the icon. Once Figma finishes loading, open any existing design file you want to edit from the home screen. Press F on your keyboard to activate the frame tool. Then click and drag on the canvas to create a frame that will sit behind your text as the background. With the frame selected, look over at the right-hand panel and find the fill section. Click the plus button to add a fill, then click the color swatch and choose any background color you want for your design. Next, press T on your keyboard to activate the text tool. Click somewhere inside the frame and type out your keyword or any text you want to blur. Press Escape once you finish typing so you exit text editing mode. While the text layer is still selected, look over at the right panel and adjust the font size field to whatever size works best for your layout. Right below that, click the text color swatch and choose any text color you want to use. To make sure the correct layer is selected, click directly on the text layer again from the Layers panel on the left side of the screen. Now scroll all the way down the right-hand panel until you find the Effects section. Click the plus button on the right side of that row to add an effect. Figma will normally add a drop shadow effect by default, so click directly on the effect name where it says Drop Shadow and switch it to Layer Blur from the drop-down menu that appears. As soon as you switch it, your text will become blurry on the canvas. You may also notice the opacity of your text has dropped slightly, so head back to the Fill section, click the color swatch, and adjust the opacity slider to whatever value looks best to you. To control the blur strength, click the small settings icon beside the words Layer Blur in the effects list. Inside the settings panel, adjust the blur value to any number you like, remembering that higher numbers create a much blurrier effect. Once you are happy with the result, click anywhere outside the settings to close the panel and preview your final look. You can also click the eye icon beside Layer Blur to toggle the effect on and off for comparison. Finally, press Ctrl+S on Windows or Command+S on Mac to save your project safely.